Lost that spark after 50? You're not broken, your hormones just shifted gears. And once you understand them, you can turn the engine back on. For men, testosterone slowly drops, that means lower energy and less drive. For women, falling estrogen and progesterone change how the body responds to closeness. It's biology, not failure. But here's what no one tells you, your brain can reignite what hormones quiet down. Science shows that 3 habits can naturally boost desire at any age. 7 hours of deep sleep restores hormone rhythm. Zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats fuel testosterone and estrogen. Daily movement, even a 20-minute walk, increases blood flow and mood. Add laughter, touch, and gratitude, your body responds faster than any pill. Desire after 50 isn't gone, it's just waiting for balance. Age doesn't kill passion. Neglect does. Follow ageless truths for real science, real hope, and the courage to feel alive again.